Have you ever wondered how to improve your typing skills? Today, we are going to highlight some crucial steps and techniques to help you type faster and more accurately. Firstly, the key to improving your typing is regular practice. You need to engage in typing exercises periodically. Learning touch typing is a significant step. Touch typing is the ability to type on a keyboard without looking at it. This skill can greatly enhance your typing speed and accuracy. You can make use of online typing tutorials and typing practice websites. Some popular options include Typing Club, 10 Fast Fingers, and Keyboard. There are also certain typing software available for download that can aid in learning typing. A well-known one is Typing Master. To increase your typing speed and accuracy, you can practice on various types of texts. You can take the help of a book, article, or blog post. There are also some typing games that can assist in improving your typing skills. Among these are Type Racer and NitroType. Once you have learned touch typing, it is crucial to pay attention to the keyboard layout. There is a difference between QWERTY and Dvorak keyboard layouts. It is important to learn typing according to the layout you use. To increase your speed, gradually start increasing your typing speed. Initially, it is important to focus on accuracy, then work on improving speed. When you are typing, it's important to pay attention to mistakes. Understand your mistakes and learn from them. Self-assess your typing speed and accuracy at regular intervals to monitor your progress. Learning keyboard shortcuts is also important. They can help speed up your typing tasks. Practice writing some common words and phrases by memory so you can type without looking. In addition to these, patience and impartiality are also important in improving typing skills. It's not a task that will improve within a week or a month. It may take time, so taking feedback positively is important. So, to sum up, improving typing skills is a combination of regular practice, learning touch typing, using online tutorials and typing software, practicing on various texts, playing typing games, understanding keyboard layouts, gradually increasing speed, learning from mistakes, self-assessing, learning keyboard shortcuts, and typing common words and phrases from memory. Remember, patience and a positive attitude towards feedback are your best friends in this journey. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement in no time.